guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the backwards slime challenge. I've been wanting to do a slime challenge on this channel for the longest time, so I finally got the chance to do so. Before we start this video off, definitely subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, the giveaway rules / prizes video for my 100 subscribers milestone giveaway will be uploaded by the time we hit 75 subscribers, so that'll just give you guys a bit of time for that stuff. So make sure to share this video to all your friends so that this giveaway can be held in a very soon and quick amount of time. So that's enough talking, let's just get on into the video. Alright, so first of all, I have all of my slime supplies. You can see that I have some foam beads as well as some cornstarch and some other random stuff. This all is just going to be needed. I'm going to try to think of something to make with it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, so I did forget my bowl and spoon as well as my glue. So I think we're good. Alright, so since this is a backwards slime challenge, we have to add in our activator first, since that's normally what you'd add at last. So, kind of why. I also don't understand where that glitter came from. I cleaned the bowl so good and so well, and I don't understand what happened. Alright, so next I have some paint because I do want to color this slime. This is normally what I do before adding in my activator, so that's kind of why I'm doing it afterwards. So that took a bit of some work to mix in. I also added in some glitters because who doesn't like some multicolored glitter? And then you just want to mix it all up. So I decided to make a cream cheese slime, so I am just going to add in some cornstarch, and I realized I had no spoon.
12 seconds later.
Alright, I got my spoon, and now I'm just spooning in some cornstarch so that I can get in that consistency. I'm so smart. I literally realized just when I was spooning it in that bowl situation, since cornstarch and water causes that to happen. So yeah, it took a bit of arm muscle to get that all mixed in until it got very, very well dissolved. There was a little bit at the bottom, which took a few minutes. So now I have to add in my glue, since this is the first thing you would add, so technically if it's backwards it would be last. This is where the mistake came in. I had to add in way more glue. This was so not enough since the slime was activating so quickly because of the excess amount of activator. Afterwards, I did realize that this slime was super duper tough and was going to become very overactivated. So what I decided to do was just try to get that activator in, and I knew it wasn't working out. So instead, I just went ahead and added a bit more glue, and I did take out that excess amount of activator since that was just making the whole situation even worse. It took a bit of time and the slime did kind of form. It took a lot of kneading, but it still turned out very tough. So here is the slime just after I took it out and kneaded it. You can see that it's so stretchy and it has the best bubble pops and best clicks you've ever heard. I mean, look at that stretch. Alright, so I'm gonna leave y'all here so you can listen to some really trashy ASMR. Alrighty, so for the next slime, I decided to go in with the same activator from the previous slime, which I took out. I did go in with a little more since it was a bit low on activator. I knew what to do because that slime was a learning experience. Now I knew the drill, we good, and so now I added in some lotion because I forgot the previous time. I think that's also what could have helped the slime turn out well. Whatever. But now I just mixed it in. It was a bit hard since the lotion wasn't going in, but it's fine. Now I got in with some purple paint. I did want it to be a nice pastel purple, which did not turn out pastel, just so you know. Alright, so foam beads make anything pretty, so I went in with that. And now, since this is a backwards slime challenge, I had to go in with my glue last, just like how I did it with the other slime. And now I am just going to mix that in until the slime begins to form. Okay, so after an awful long time mixing, I realized that this slime was not going to form, so I did have to go in with some activator. So I'm so sorry for cheating. I know this was a challenge, but the slime did turn out very, very well with just that little added in activator. It was super clicky, super pretty, and had really nice bubble pops. So here is an overall comparison of the two slimes that I made in this challenge. My favorite one obviously has to be the one all the way on the right because it has an overall greater texture and it looks a bit cuter in my opinion. I will be putting a poll up there so you guys can vote on your favorite. I decided why not stack these slimes and make a nice slime smoothie. So I stacked the two slimes on top so that later on I can have a nice layer of foam beads on the top and the slimes can merge a little bit so it can look really cute. I did have some extra slime, which I did put in my personal slime smoothie.
3 days later.
So it's been about 3 or 4 days since I filmed the challenge, and I did leave the slime out by a windowsill so that the slime on the bottom can have a bit of time to melt and kind of merge together and become even softer. Can I just say that did not happen? The slime did merge as I expected. It was like a slight avalanche slime, which I think is pretty cool. The slime on top was super stretchy, super clicky, and had that nice layer of foam beads on top. But once you reach the bottom slime, you can notice that the texture is very bad. It's super tough, so not stretchy. I did decide to give the slime a bit of a try and playing with it, but you can see I tried making a swirl and it did not work. By the way, this happened on the bottom of slime, which I did think was cornstarch from the activator mix that was left behind. I don't know, but you can see it's not the best for pokes. It doesn't have great bubble pops, nor is it stretchy, so I did go in with some lotion to soften the slime up after a bit of a long time of massaging that through and adding in some lotion here and there. It turned into this really nice slime. The slime did turn a bit more to a periwinkle color, which I still think is super pretty. The slime does have some slight bit of glitter showing through, which is also really cute. I think that every slime I've done with the challenge, I use rainbow glitter. It's very typical of me. Also, I really like the foam beads since they give a nice texture. It was super clicky, now even stretchier, and had great bubble pops. I'm hoping that you guys are really liking these challenge videos. Definitely tell me in the comments below if you want to see more like this. Also, I'll put a poll up there for which one was your favorite slime. So, as usual, remember to subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And definitely like this video so I know you guys are enjoying my really trashy content. So, yeah. I did enjoy doing this challenge. It was pretty difficult, but I think we went through. Also, thank you so much for 55 subscribers. It is so sweet of you guys for listening to my very trashy content. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye!